Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a status on your WhatsApp web in your laptop or PC, right? So if I just go and click here, as you can see here that I have added a status. But in your case, if I just click on plus icon, right, I have got an option to add a photos or text. But in your case, you won't find this option. So how you can just get it? So first of all, you have to just go to basically Chrome Web Store, right? Once you're here, click on this first link, and basically we have to add extension on the search bar. You have to just type WhatsApp, right? And as you can see here, WhatsApp plus for WhatsApp, so you have to just select this one. Now here you have to click on, right, click add to your Chrome or whichever browser you're using. For now I will just click on enable, right, and we will just load it once again. And once you have loaded once again your WhatsApp, it will just take a few seconds of your time, and just click on this WhatsApp status icon here, click on this plus icon, and you will get a, or you can click on this plus icon here in your case. Now once you can just add your photos or videos, or you can even add a text, right? So here I will just write here subscribe and just hit the arrow icon here, and now it's done. So when I just try to open it up, as you can see here, this is my old status and this is the current which we did in this video. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.